Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Pentair 190003 is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a pristine swimming pool, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the competition, exploring its unique features, performance capabilities, and overall value proposition to help you make an informed decision for your pool care needs. Number 5. Pentair PacFab FNS Plus 48 square feet grid assembly. Introducing the Pentair PacFab FNS Plus. This 48 square feet grid assembly is designed for optimal filtration. Experience superior water clarity with its efficient design. It ensures your pool stays clean and inviting. Crafted for longevity, this assembly is built to last. Its robust construction withstands regular use. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance with this user-friendly component. Cleaning and upkeep are made simple. With a 48 square feet capacity, it provides ample surface area for effective debris capture. Keep your pool pristine with ease. What we like. This is a high-capacity grid assembly designed for FNS Plus filters. It offers a substantial 48 square feet of filtration area, ensuring efficient cleaning for larger pools. If you have a larger pool and need robust filtration, this is the ideal choice for maintaining water clarity. What people say. It arrived. I was happy to see that it was in fact completely assembled. It would take me no time to remove the old element like a cartridge and drop on this new one. From the time I started to the time I completed the task was under 45 minutes. It fit perfectly and has been working well from day one. No more water flow or pressure issues for me. The filter assembly dropped right into the FNS 48 filter housing and fired up as expected. Add DE and the water is clear. This Pentair replacement element appears to be better made than the original. The fabric seems heavier duty. It dropped right in, totally cleaned up the pool overnight. Hope to get at least 10 years out of this one too. Number 4. Pentair American Products PacFab Titan FNS Clamp Ring. Introducing the Pentair American Products PacFab Titan FNS Clamp Ring. This essential component ensures a secure and reliable connection for your pool filtration system. Crafted for durability, this clamp ring provides a long-lasting solution. It's designed to withstand the demands of pool environments, offering peace of mind. Installation is straightforward, making maintenance simple. You can quickly secure your filter tank without specialized tools. Specifically designed for the American Products PacFab Titan and FNS models. It guarantees a perfect fit, maintaining optimal system performance. Trust in Pentair's commitment to quality. This clamp ring is built to the high standards you expect for your pool equipment. Keep your pool running efficiently with this vital part. A secure clamp ring prevents leaks and ensures your filter operates at its best. What we like. This clamp ring provides a secure and reliable seal for your pool filter. It's specifically designed for Pentair American Products Titan and FNS models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you're looking for a replacement part that guarantees a leak-free operation and easy maintenance, this clamp ring is the solution. What people say. This costs a bit more, but it is very heavy-duty, better than my original, and was a once-and-done fix. The clamp is a nice black-coated metal. When I screwed the clamp on, it really tightened well, leaving only 1 inch of gap. The old one didn't tighten as well, probably due to the metal fatigue. This tension control clamp fit my filter perfectly. This clamp is the same clamp as the original that came with the filter, only it's black. Number 3. Pentair 178578 Almond Bottom Tank Assembly. Introducing the Pentair 178578 Almond Bottom Tank Assembly. This is a direct replacement for your pool and spa filter. The Pentair Pool Products part number for this assembly is 178,578. Ensure you have the correct part for your system. You can also identify this part by its catalog number, 4654-85. This helps confirm compatibility. Keep your pool and spa water clean and clear with this reliable replacement tank assembly. It's designed for optimal performance. Designed for straightforward installation, this assembly will have your filter up and running again in no time. Enjoy your clean pool. What we like. This is a direct replacement bottom tank assembly in an almond color. It's designed to fit specific Pentair pool and spa filters, ensuring compatibility and a seamless installation. If your current bottom tank is damaged or you're performing a filter overhaul, this part will restore your filter's integrity. What people say. This Pentair 190003 is a great replacement for the old filter. It fits perfectly and works just as well as the original. The filter is easy to install and comes with all the necessary parts. It's a good value for the money. Number 2. Pentair Kreepy Krauly LL505G Pool Cleaner. Introducing the Pentair Kreepy Krauly LL505G, designed for ultimate pool cleanliness. Its advanced features ensure your pool is spotless with minimal effort. Experience maximum traction with its front-wheel drive and treaded tires. This allows for complete coverage, even on inclined surfaces, ensuring no spot is missed. Say goodbye to tipping. Its four-wheel design provides stability for uninterrupted and unattended cleaning, giving you peace of mind. Equipped with a large intake throat and a high-capacity bag, it easily tackles large debris. Keep your pool clear without constant maintenance. Available in gray or white housings, it's designed to complement lighter-colored pools. Enjoy a cleaner pool with a cleaner that blends seamlessly. What we like. This cleaner features advanced front-wheel drive and treaded tires for superior traction, even on inclines. Its four-wheel design prevents tipping, ensuring continuous cleaning without supervision. If you have an in-ground pool with varying depths and debris, and you want a cleaner that handles it all efficiently and reliably, this is the one for you. What people say. It cleaned the entire pool in almost 1 hour, not kidding. Goes up the walls easy, cleans large leaves and twigs, backup on it works well, has a large bag. The robot comes with extra hose, so you have to cut the hose to make it fit your pool. Number 1. Pentair 178581 Lid Tank Assembly. Ensure your pool and spa filter is running optimally with this essential replacement part. This lid tank assembly is designed for seamless integration with your existing Pentair system. This is the genuine Pentair Pool Products part number 178581. Using the correct part ensures compatibility and performance. You can also identify this component by its catalog part number, 4654-81. This ensures you are getting the exact match you need. Keep your pool and spa clean and clear with a reliable replacement lid tank assembly. It's built to last and maintain peak filter function. Replacing your old lid tank is straightforward. This assembly is designed for easy installation, getting your filter back online quickly. Proper maintenance is key to a healthy pool or spa. This replacement part helps you achieve just that, ensuring clear water all season long. What we like. This is a replacement lid tank assembly for your Pentair pool filter. It ensures a proper seal and protects the internal components of your filter system. If you need to replace a worn or damaged lid tank to maintain optimal filter performance, this part offers a straightforward and effective solution. What people say. Was a perfect fit for my original Pentair CCP 420 lid that became cracked over time in the hot Texas sun. The new lid also solved the fiberglass splinter issue that another review mentioned. New OEM quality. It was a critical item needed to get my pool back running, and the part arrived the day after I ordered it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.